All right, guys. So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Now, as you can tell, we have the Ford all backed up. If you watch the reveal video, you know what I'm about to do. We have the tonneau cover right there. I'm going to put on the tonneau cover. It is a Truxedo. It's a Truxedo truck bed cover, and I don't forgot the brand, whatever. But anyways, I've never done this before, as a lot of times when I do part installs, I've never did it before, but hey, gotta learn somehow. So apparently this should be a relatively easy install, because all it says you need is a 1/2-inch socket. So 1/2-inch socket. Apparently there's supposed to be no drilling. Hope not, because I ain't got my drill. So let's see how well this goes on. Of course, you already know this isn't going to be a step-by-step. I may not even set the camera up. Might just do a little bit, pause for a second, let it know, because I really got to get this done. I got to get the cover on, because after I do the cover, I'm also going to sand and paint my trailer. Sorry if I just spit all over y'all, I'm so sorry. I got to sand and paint my trailer, which I'm going to sand it tonight, paint it tomorrow. So I'm trying to get all that done tonight, and it is already 7 o'clock. So probably won't record, just do a little step by step, and then just give y'all a little update. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Yeah. All right, so I have now got bed liner, the rails lined up. Got to do a little bit more. God, I think I got to get it a little bit more even. Looks a little uneven to me. I don't think the rails are, but maybe just where the cover is. But if you do get this roll up bed cover, don't make the same mistake I did. These little clamps right here, make sure you take them all the way out before you get to trying to clamp it to the bed and the rails, because I literally was trying to clamp it and then I went, they sent me the wrong rails, the wrong clamps, till I completely unscrewed them all the way out. Then it clamped right on up. But anyways, so I'm now on step I just did step 4. I'm on step 5. Align the cover with the pickup bed. So I'm gonna do that. It's actually coming along pretty quick. I've literally probably been working on it 20 minutes. Maybe not 20 minutes, maybe like 15 minutes. And I've already got this far. Step 5 of, well, 13. So yeah, gonna give her back to it. All right, guys, so now I got the tonneau cover on. Looks amazing. Like, I really do like it, and I'm not even gonna waste y'all's time. I'm just not even. That's what it looks like with the new tonneau cover on. I gotta figure out what's going on right here. Like, it sticks up like that. I don't really know if I did it wrong or something like that. I don't really know. I have to get somebody to really look at that. I don't know. I might mess with it here in a minute, but that's what it looks like. And I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it's rolled all the way completely up. All right, one more thing before I want to show y'all. You see the little metal clips right there? That's how you unlock it. Got one on that side, one right there. Pops up, and you just roll it on down. I really do like it. I like that. I did not want one like my daddy has. I don't really know what's going on right there either. Like, it doesn't come all the way over. I don't know. Oh, I think I see what I did. But anyways, I just want to show y'all that. Now I'm gonna actually fix my little mistake, 'cause I think I see what I did wrong. So I'm gonna fix that, and then it should be done. But I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Once again, hope to see y'all out on the trails. Look for the truck, look for the brute force. Peace. So I figured out why I wasn't fitting right. It goes like that. The weather stripping kind of goes down, and I just figured that out. Boy's a dummy. I'm still learning a lot of this shit. So, but yeah, so figured that out. Just want to let everybody know so they don't make the same mistake I do. The weather stripping goes down on the bed, not up. Not towards the cab, it goes down towards the bed. Thought I'd let y'all know.